watching your TikToks, watching Instagram stories. No one's going to see what you're doing. What's going on YouTube? Today we're taking a look at one of my favorite products because I take a lot of mass transportation. I'm in a very busy, very nosy environment, aka New York City. People are always not minding their business. There's always peering over your shoulders going on. And I'm not about sharing my screen with others. I'm a little bit selfish that way. So today we're taking a look at a product from Ringke, which is their tempered glass privacy screen protector. And unlike your normal screen protectors, it's going to stop peering eyes from checking out what's on your screen. So no matter what you're looking at, whether that's for your eyes only or not, you'll be able to keep everything private. And that's what it's all about. If you're interested in this Ringke screen protector or any other accessories, cases, screen protectors, or anything like that for your iPhone 15 series, check my link down below because I'm doing a lot of reviews and there's a lot more reviews to come. But this privacy guard is one of my favorites, absolutely 100% for show. So let's just go ahead and see what we get inside of this screen protector pack. Now this is just a one pack, so let's go ahead and take a look. Should be a very clean, very simple installation. This is everything that comes in the box. So you get the privacy screen protector. You also do get some cleaning materials. Of course, you have the installation instructions, but I'm going to show you how to install it. Ringke also includes this handy little installation jig. So this is just going to plug into the bottom of your USB-C port. It's going to help align that screen protector. So let's go ahead and start off with this install process. Take a look at my screen here. You can see it on every different angle. That's the whole point of a normal screen protector. If you are interested in a regular screen protector, check out the WhiteStone Dome Express Align. I'll leave a link down in my description below. It's a nice price point and it's also super clear. But unfortunately, I have to pull this one off because I'm getting a little privacy action going on. I don't want people taking a look at my screen. So that's the Easy Align from WhiteStone. Really, really clear. First step is to ensure that your screen is clean. Don't want any bubbles. So let's go ahead and clean my screen. Next, get your little cleaning cloth. And now if you see any dust particles, go ahead and pick up one of these little strips. That looks pretty clean to me. Now comes for the fun part. Here's your little installation jig. Used to have lightning. Now we just need that USB-C port. Pop that into the bottom just like so. Now that we ensured there's no dust, get your screen protector ready. And make sure that the little cutout for your sensor is on the right side. Right side, right side. Put pinholes on the bottom. Press them in very, very gently. Put the cover back on. Now that we have everything aligned, go ahead and pull off the back portion. Try not to touch the inner layer of the screen if you can help it. This will be your last chance to check for any dust. And of course I got a little dust particle there. Now that we're all set, just kind of check the alignment. Pop it into place. Make sure that everything is aligned properly. Next step, guys, is just to press on the middle of the screen protector. It'll kind of adhere to the screen itself. If you do see some air bubbles, go ahead and kind of massage them out of your screen, just like this. So if I have any air bubbles under here, I'll stop filming, stop recording, and I'll come back in about a day or so once these air bubbles completely disappear. Now I really like using my finger. It's a lot easier than using that squeegee. Just depends on what you're used to. Once you've seen that you've got the majority of the bubbles out, now's the fun part, or the exciting part, and that's to remove this outer film and check out how you did with the installation. Let's go ahead and remove the jig and remove this outer layer. Not super bad, guys, as far as installation goes. I do have a couple little air bubbles. I will stop recording this video. I'll come back in a couple days once all of these are gone. Let's go ahead and turn on the screen just so I can show you. Now, as we're booting up, you can see the purpose of this privacy guard. Let me just show you the different angles. You can't even see that Apple logo, and you didn't even know my screen turned on. Look at that. So if anyone's peering over your shoulder, they're not going to see what's happening. Taking a look at the privacy guard, you will notice a tad bit of tint on your screen, so it's not as super bright as, say, a regular screen protector is. The whole point of this is to block out those peering eyes, so if you travel a lot or you deal with sensitive information on your phone, whatever information, pictures or otherwise that you want to deem sensitive and you don't want people checking out your screen while you're on mass transportation, that could be a plane, a train, an automobile, or even just sitting on the couch next to somebody and you don't want them to check out what's going on your screen. This is a really awesome option, and I'm always a fan of this. Again, I live in New York City. People just don't know how to mind their business, and I really don't need someone reading my text messages or my emails just as I'm trying to commute and get where I'm trying to get to. Now, these screen protectors don't work in landscape. This is just a portrait only. But as you're replying to messages or checking out Instagram, you don't want people kind of looking at your screen, guys. So again, this is a nice way to keep people from peering on your screen. Let's go back to Sammy Draper here. So you can see that you really can't see her once I get about that 25% angle. Head on, you can definitely see what's going on. But again, I think this is great if you just want to keep your business your own. Once again, guys, that's really what it's all about. I'm definitely a super fan. Let me continue using this for a day. Hopefully that bubble will go away, and I'll be back and tell you more about my thoughts of using this protector for about a day or so. Here we are a day later. That one little bubble that I had on the side has disappeared. Everything is as it should be. Everything is really, really clear. Well, you can't see it. Now you can. You can't see it. Now you can. Taking a look at the front selfie cam, everything is awesome, guys. Everything is as it should be because they did leave that portion clear. It's not a privacy shield over that camera. Otherwise, you'd get a little bit of a tint. Face ID works perfectly. I've also been trying cases as I've just been using my phone all throughout yesterday, and the Ringke screen protector has worked on all the cases that I've checked it out with. This is the WhiteStone Atomic Slim. Dope case, Dark Knight edition, black on black with that black screen guard. So it works with just about most cases. Let me show you another one that I have here. Let's pull out let's get my Peak Design case out and go ahead and plop this on. Still working really well with this case. Now let's just try one more for fun. Here's a sub case. Again, just enough space. You can see that it's just barely making it. But as long as it makes it, that's all I care about. So you're getting that full coverage and you're getting that privacy, and it's going to work with your cases. What more do you need? If you're interested in this Ringke screen protector or any other accessories, cases, screen protectors, or anything like that for your iPhone 15 series, check my link down below because I'm doing a lot of reviews and there's a lot more reviews to come. But this privacy guard is one of my favorites, absolutely 100% for show.